And we can use the create import command to create a mass haul import. It's used to force a specified quantity of usable and unusable material to be accepted at a particular station along a corridor's alignment. So basically when you run this command, you're going to give it a location. So maybe this is a specified location for let's call it rock or other material, and you're going to choose an analysis. You're going to tell it where you want that station to happen to be. So if I pick here, it's going to put in the amount of usable volume. So maybe I put in 1,000 cubic yards, and then I can define that material. So if I was to come in here and choose the on-site rock or the crushed rock that I was going to define, I could go ahead and tell it that maybe there's 2,000 cubic yards of this material that can be brought in. So by doing so, I can click apply, and I've added that import material along my station there. You can also do the same thing and create an export location as well. So maybe this is the topsoil stripping or something that I'm pulling off, and I want to export it. Again, I can tell it where I'm going to place that material along the corridor and define what that material is as well. So this could be on-site topsoil, and again putting in a particular amount of volume and applying that to the corridor mass haul.